In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Q&A to ask natural language questions in Power BI. Q&A is one of the fastest ways to explore your data because it lets you type questions in plain English and instantly see the answer as a visual. If you've ever wondered how to quickly check a trend or compare values without building a chart from scratch, this will save you time and help you discover insights on the fly. Start by opening your Microsoft BI app on your desktop. Once it's up, head into one of your existing reports. Any report that already has data behind it will work. If you're working with a shared or demo report, that's fine too. The Q&A experience adapts to whatever fields and measures are available in the model. On the left panel, click on the Q&A visual to add it to your report page. You'll see a text box appear on the canvas. This is your interactive question area. Think of it like a search bar for your data. As soon as it's placed, you're ready to start asking questions in natural language. Click inside the box and begin typing something you'd say out loud, such as total sales by month or average quantity by category. You'll notice that as you type, Q&A recognizes field names, measures, and keywords, and it will suggest completions that align with your model. You can also select from the suggestions that appear. These suggestions are a great way to learn what kinds of questions Q&A understands. If you see a suggestion that matches what you're thinking, click it and Power BI will generate the corresponding visual instantly. It's a safe way to get started, especially if you're not sure of the exact wording. If you want Q&A to show a specific type of chart, simply add that at the end of your question. For example, you could type total sales by month as a line chart. Q&A will render a line chart right away. This is especially helpful when you're looking for a trend over time, a comparison across categories, or any case where a particular visual tells the story best. If the result doesn't look quite right, try tweaking your phrasing, keep your question concise, and rely on the suggestions to guide you to recognize terms. That's all there is to it. Open your report, add the Q&A visual, ask your question, use the suggestions, and specify the chart type with a phrase like as a line chart. With a few simple prompts, you'll go from question to insight in seconds.